Hello guys, welcome back to I Am Cat. I got early access. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the game. I'm just gonna give you a tour and I'm just gonna have some fun. It's 11. I'm barely man. We in. Grandma got me an awful wash. Yo, Grandma. I need my buddy. Hello. I know, bro. I'm sorry. Just need to, for real. I know, bro. I'm sorry. Sorry, I know. Just need to put you. We are gonna cooking some potato near Chinese cleaver. Okay. I need potato. Oh crap. Let me do it for soggy bread. There you go. Jesus. Oh crap, I hate him. Okay. What? A hand. Ah! Let me do it for you. Perfect. I'm inside. Perfect. Just how I like it. Ah! I'm gonna make some toast. And don't some regular toast. What? What happened to my bread? Man, what happened? Come. If I just let that burn. Don't wait for me. Oh man, I can't eat. You need that one. Oh man, I can't. Right. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. Hang on. Oh. Right, well, now we're gonna go cause some trouble. What Grandma doing? Sitting here? Yeah, I know. I wanna watch some TV? Oh crap. Oh crap. Okay. Grandma. Who the hell's that? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm dead. She's dead. Yeah, Grandma. What's up? Sup? Bro, why you looking at me like that? For real. Come here, boy. Grandma. Grandma. No, Grandma? Grandma?